I was able to replace the handle. It is working now. However, I discovered several things. The bottom part of the plastic where the handle was attached is cracked. And I don't know whether you cracked it when you were using the bottom here to pull it open, or whether the force of pulling the handle cracked it. It's just plastic. It doesn't hurt anything. But the entire handle assembly is not made of metal. It's all plastic. When you open, always grab the door from the center. Do not grab from the bottom and do not grab from the top, as that may put too much force on the handle. And you girls are very strong from rowing, so you may have just tried to pull it too hard. But at some point, I'm going to have to replace the entire door assembly. I don't know how long this will last. It should be okay, but the cracks mean that I have to replace the door.